Can you believe it? Titan is the fifth largest watch manufacturer in the world, and it is one of the most trusted brands in India. The company recently launched Titan Talk Smartwatch that enables you to make a call right from your wrist. We used the wearable for good 2 weeks, and here's what we think about it. The first thing that you notice as soon as you open the box is a large dial. Titan Talk gets an AMOLED display with reasonable brightness levels, and thanks to these features, you can easily and quickly read notifications. There is a black aluminum case, a silicon band with an old-fashioned yet reliable buckle lock mechanism. Pretty much like its competitors, Titan Talk can be jazzed up with over 100 watch faces that are available in the Titan World Smart app. The app also allows you to revisit your exercise and health related score so that you can improve your overall lifestyle. One interesting feature that caught my eye is the theater mode. I usually set the brightness of the variable to high to get a better visibility under the sun. But what happens when you go to the theater and see a notification on that bright screen? Now, instead of going to settings and tapping brightness and then adjusting the brightness levels, I just swiped down on the home screen and tapped the reel icon that enabled the theater mode. What it does is, it turns off the vibration, lowers the brightness to levels where you can easily see the notification without straining your eyes. One of the downsides of this variable is that it doesn't give you many exercise tracking options. I might be nitpicking, but there are about 20 options in that respect. On the flip side, I hardly use half of them, so it was not a problem for me. But if you are looking for specifically sports or exercise related smartwatches, this one is not for you. Frankly speaking, the feature works more or less like it does in other smartwatches. The speaker is loud, you can save numbers of your go-to people and dial them right from your wrist. This is pretty neat. Titan Talk is more or less like any other smartwatch that has Bluetooth calling feature. What you get with Titan Talk is a good display and reliability of Titan brand. It is specifically for those who want a basic smartwatch with all the necessary functions. If you are into sports, it is advisable that you look for other options. If you want more videos like this, follow Gadgets Now on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.